Still, she calls. Years and still we yearn to see the dance of your seagulls in summer's breeze, long walks, lovers kissing across promenade, and she waits by the shoreline for what the waves may bring. We were there, soft black hats, Pen Camry AGM, Gawa, Baker, David, Gwyn, Reese, Alexandra, and a poet from Arad, Gog. One by one, Aberystwyth called. She embraced us, and she waits by the shoreline for what the waves may bring. We talked, strangers snored, fertile grounds, on her pier, and between sea waves, starlings moved their biceps up and down, restless. Some waved twigs, seaweed, others cried, tears dripping on empty nest. We were there, witnesses. And she said, I am a speaker of languages. Travelers slumbering, gathering their steps. At the sight of dawn, we hide ruins of dreams inside coffee cups, stained. Yet she called our names: Ngalle, Alan, Davis, Joyce, Ryan, Bethan, Onwe. We looked at the blue plaque on this house, wondering, will she appear as the curtains move? Why did the colony of birds not speak of Iris de Freitas? Why? Black plumage glittering, workers crossing the road in single file, men with crane-like necks peer through pub windows, car radio blasting, extra noise amplifier. A single head dances with the breeze. A kite, a blackpoll warbler in full flight. A woman with dimples, a black scarf, rubs two roses on her cheek, smiling. On these shores, in this great house, Amgerva Keredigion, are hidden stories, treasures of civilisations and empires rising, collapsing, and a siege lamenting. In the time when they were fair, the daughters of Kendrin were loved. Heled, Gladys, and Gwendwyn. I had lovely sisters. I lost them, every one of them. Frere, Merville, and Medland. Yet she waits by the shoreline for what the waves may bring. 2021, faces covered in mask, and we sing a melody, a word clinging, histories rewritten, narrative changing. In a corner of Aberystwyth, cold bites these Bristol bones. Why did the colony of birds not speak of her? Along the shores, I talked to strangers about her, a botanist, walking the pier, whispering to the winds, declaring myself insane. And those who did not understand the accent laughed. I did not lose my tongue. Instead, I gained my voice walking these shores. And the mouth of Aberystwyth called my name. I answered in the magic of a poet's ink.